We are fixing your presentation flow right now by adding speaker notes to your Canva project so you never blank out during a speech. Open your presentation inside Canva and look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see a small button labeled Notes right next to your page numbers. Click on that Notes button to open up a dedicated sidebar on the left side of your workspace. Inside this blank area, you can type out your talking points, cues, or exact scripts for the current slide. These notes are completely private, meaning your audience won't see them while you are presenting. Now, that goes both ways. If you want to add notes for your other slides, you just need to click on the next page in your timeline and then type into that same sidebar. The important thing is to repeat this step page by page until your entire script is loaded into the project. In my case, I always double check every slide to make sure the text aligns perfectly with the visual elements. Once you have finished entering all of your talking points, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. Scroll down the menu options and click where it says Download. Under the File type drop-down menu, select PDF Standard or PDF Print. As soon as you select a PDF format, look right below it for the download settings checkboxes. You need to check the box that says Include Notes. Here is the trade-off with this feature. Turning this setting on gives you a highly detailed teleprompter document to print out or read from a second device, but you also lose the clean, image-only look of a standard PDF document if you share it directly with clients. If that works for your workflow, go ahead and click the purple download button at the bottom of that menu to save the file to your computer.